Hello everyone, my new volume modifier is out, and in this video I will show you how to use this new tool. Okay, it's really simple and easy. You just have to drag and drop on the object you need to set the volume. And as you can see, you can press play directly. You have this really nice and cool result. If you want, you can directly pick a collection. For example, I have Suzanne and this character in this collection. You can select the collection and click use. Now you have this. You can hide the collection and you have this result. If you want, you can enable, you can show the mesh, the default mesh, or the mesh with the volume. And as you can see, it's really cool. And okay, for collection, now I will use this default object. Okay, if you drag and drop directly on Suzanne, you can do this, and you have this really nice and realistic fire simulation. It's not simulation, it's a procedural, the procedural volume, and you can see it's really nice, clean, and realistic. And you can use this in Eevee and cycles. If you switch on cycles, you have this really nice result. Okay, the setting for cycles, you can see my setting here. Set this volume to 0. Here you can fix a low value in the volume tab here. And voila, for Eevee, you can set this parameter, enable shadow here, and set this, copy my setting here. Okay, now you have different type of volume. You have the fire, you have the default cloud. You just have to select the one you need to use, and you have this. And up. It's really nice. If you want, you can rotate your mesh, and you can see the animation is really nice. By default, the setting use global transformation. If you want, you can switch on local. Now the mesh, the animation follows the mesh position. Okay. In this tab, you can control the wind direction. The wind direction here. Up. And you can use if you enable this, you have the generator, or you can use manually for animate. Okay. And in shading tab, you can control the. Wait, it's better with this, with the default cloud. You can control the base color, emission color, and the temperature here. Okay. As you can see, the result is really nice and realistic. And in this part, you can, as you can see, you can switch to volume, default mesh, or combined volume and mesh. Okay. You can select the collection here, add noise or remove noise, inflate, and density. And if you check the material, you can go in this section and select add the material to control, for example, cloud, and you can see you have more parameter in this part. Emission, texture scale, anisotropy, and etc. Absorption, color. Okay. Okay. This tool is now available on my Patreon. Is for the VIP member. Okay. I will check how to add this for PureSky, but it's not. I need more work to fix this with PureSky. Okay, because PureSky is animated mesh. I need more work to correct this for PureSky. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.